Welcome. So just to briefly introduce the company, we are a 100 people company based out of Portugal, founded 10 years ago by a group of Portuguese and German scientists. And we are specialized in automated border control, image computer vision, and mechatronics systems. As of today, we are mainly deployed in Europe, in airports, and in banking and retail environment for identity management solutions. Here you can see a view on our footprint and offices in different parts of the world, based in a small country but already present on the 5 continents. In terms of automated border control solutions, out of Europe, we have nowadays 95% of market share with big installations in UK, Finland, Norway, recently Schiphol in Amsterdam. And it's a kind of unique approach we have when it comes to technology for identity management. Every project starts with a white paper. We go along with our customers to accompany them, bringing the technology to the business needs. So these are the 4 concepts and approach to market we have developed. Regarding the cards and payment event, we will have a focus on the Think Citizen environment, which is mainly focused on enrollment for state organizations and could be banking, could be everything which deals with identity and cards or passports for local or regional authorities. Our approach is to accompany the need for decentralized distribution of ID documents. We own the full process of manufacturing, design, R&D, down to the delivery and accompanying our customers. We manufacture everything in Portugal, soon in Asia as well. We are expanding. Means we can, from the customer's perspective, you can rely on one body from beginning to the end, one single company to talk to. We are completely agnostic in terms of technology. Our goal is to fit to the customer requirements and to the processes. So basically, like I was saying from the beginning, we manufacture systems, we develop technology, products. At the end, we deliver trusted solutions because they are tailored to the need of our customers and we grow with them. Now, specifically for this event and the market we are addressing in terms of cards and payment environments, we have developed a set of solutions based on different modules coming from the beginning of the value chain, which is the enrollment of citizens or individuals based on biometric and biographic data. Could be face, could be iris, could be finger. Then going from the enrollment phases, you go to the citizen information system where we interface with, we discuss with to provide the customer, the citizen, the information about the document he required to the administration, to the authorities. Could be passport, could be an ID card. And the most important here at the end is the third module you see on the right, which is a card dispenser that has been developed for a specific project, and now that we are developing and distributing worldwide. It's a machine that can, from a decentralized model, distribute ID cards or passports. Means you can completely optimize the distribution process from a cost perspective, from a timing perspective, and from an operational aspect as well. As you can see, those dispensers on the right on the photo can be deployed in administration offices, in malls, banks, hotels. Depends on the country, the security rules, and how open or less open are the regulations in terms of security for such operations. This is the full workflow of the process I was starting to explain. So it comes from the card renewal, card delivery start point. You can use the dispenser with the 3 modules, means an enrollment machine in the middle. You have a kiosk that allows you to update your citizen ID data. As long as you have updated your data, it goes to the manufacturing process, to a central database. The card production facility receives the data, acknowledges the data, the accuracy of the data through a quality assurance process. And then it goes along the value chain. What you can see on the bottom right, the cartridge is the body which goes from the dispenser to the manufacturing and from the manufacturing back to the dispenser. That's where we manage the ID cards. They are transported through these devices and they are then integrated into the dispenser to distribute the cards to the citizens in an automatic process and completely secure. So basically, if I want to summarize what this technology can bring to the market, the citizen doesn't have to adapt himself or to think. He just needs to follow the instruction because the system was completely developed to adapt to the behavior of humans and individuals. Our experience beyond the technology is to observe how people are behaving, no matter if it's in an airport, a bank, or an administration process. The full solution is designed to really adapt to the behavior of the people and that they find it easy, that they have a good experience while complying with the highest security standards when it comes to identity management. As well, it goes through an intuitive and organic process using biometric, as I said, and biographic capture. It's an all-in-one platform and combining the different biometrics and biographic data. Like I said before, more and more countries, and even more here in the Middle East, where the infrastructure in terms of naming of the streets and the mailing system is not easily manageable down to the street number level, this solution resolves this issue by putting a bridge between the authorities and the citizen to facilitate the process. In terms of mailing costs as well, imagine the number of mails, ID cards that are sent by mail, to citizens, and the cost of it. Sometimes cards stay at the posting office, they are not taken. With this solution, the cards are in the machine, automatically redistributed. There is no loss, so you completely optimize the cost. If you compare the cost of a stamp plus the later and the ID cards inside to the cost of the operation through the dispenser, it's easily calculable in terms of return on investment. If we are talking about a 5 million people population at maybe $1 the mail, to send 5 million ID cards, it's a $5 million operation that you have to repeat maybe every 2 years, every 3 years, 5 years. Here, the investment is done one time and you can accompany the growth of the residents easily. Of course, it integrates as well payment options, cash and cards. And we are even now going through the completely decentralized model by integrating the printing of the documents inside the machine. So you could have inside this dispenser on top left the possibility to deliver directly the cards and completely decentralize the production down to the machine. And to summarize, again, that gives you full control of the development and manufacturing process, and it fits both centralized and decentralized distribution models, depending on the country setup and how the authorities want to manage the identity documents processing. At the end, it's a full enhancement of the lifecycle of EID documents. This is unique so far. There are no solutions as such on the market that allows these kind of interactions. And our innovation capability, no matter in respect of border control or identity management, has been recognized by different entities. So it's not only a PowerPoint like I'm showing you today. Those solutions exist in real life. And I invite you to visit us on our booth, 35A, that we can discuss more in detail together about any of your questions, projects, doubts. And I hope you got the essence of what I just showed. Thank you.